This guide on mastering AI research and Python automation tools. We begin by navigating to Wikipedia to build a strong theoretical foundation. Search bar at the top, we type artificial intelligence and hit enter. On the main page, we scroll through the article to review key subfields and historical context. Understanding core concepts like knowledge representation, reasoning, planning, machine learning, and natural language processing gives us the background needed before working with practical tools. We move over to Hugging Face, the leading hub for open source AI models and datasets. We browse through the vast repository of models to see what the community and top AI labs have developed. Explore specialized models for text generation, computer vision, and audio processing, as well as filter by frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow, or Transformers. Face allows researchers and developers to easily find, test, and integrate state-of-the-art machine learning models into their own workflows. To bring these AI tools into practical projects, we need Python. We navigate to official Python documentation and open the Python tutorial. Python is the primary language used across machine learning and automation pipelines. Scroll through the extensive table of contents. We cover foundational building blocks, starting with using the Python interpreter, handling numbers, strings, and data structures like lists, sets, and dictionaries. Continuing down, we review control flow statements, function definitions, modular programming, error and exception handling, and object-oriented programming with classes. Lastly, we explore standard library modules, virtual environment setups, and package management tools. Mastering these core Python topics empowers you to build robust, scalable automation scripts and seamlessly interface with AI libraries. By combining foundational literature research on Wikipedia, practical model discovery on Hugging Face, and structured Python learning through official documentation, you create a powerful blueprint for mastering modern AI research and Python automation tools. Exploring open source tools, building custom automation scripts, and experimenting with new models to elevate your skills. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next tutorial!